Whether you travel with a 2-in-1 body wash or you have a 10-step skincare routine, a toiletry bag or Dopp kit will help you keep it all together on the road. In this video, we're gonna look at 10 toiletry bags to keep you organized on your next trip. I'm Tom from Pack Hacker, your guide to better gear. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and ringing that bell icon for notifications. A Dopp kit is just another word for a toiletry bag, and each one mentioned in this video can pack away easily into your carry-on bag. So if you find one you like, make sure to visit packhacker.com for more information, as well as the best buying options that help support our channel at no additional cost to you. Links to all those down in the description below. And give this video a thumbs up if you want to see what our team packs into each one of these Dopp kits. We could do a future video on that if you're interested. So let's get into this video. We're kicking this off with the Aer Travel Kit with its durable materials and excellent organization. At 2.5 liters, this kit has got space for seemingly everything. There's an organized pocket for your liquids, a zippered pocket for tweezers and nail clippers, and an elastic organizer ideal for toothbrushes, razors, and combs. There's even a tiny vertical sleeve to protect the head of your toothbrush. The best thing about this kit is the little hook you can use to hang it up in order to keep it out of the way at your hotel or Airbnb. Most Dopp kits need to be laid horizontally, but this one can stand up vertically in your bag, making it a cinch to pack. Aer does make another toiletry pouch called the Dopp kit, but we prefer the travel kit because it's slimmer and the stowable hook is a nice touch. This is one of our top picks, and we feature it in our digital nomad packing list. Link down below if you want to check that out. Next up, we have the Bellroy Dopp kit. The polished design and leather zipper pulls on the kit make us feel extra polished when we use it. It doesn't have a ton of organization, but the main compartment is spacious enough to fit several Human Gear Go-To Plus bottles filled with your liquid products. Plus, Bellroy uses some of the softest, most luxurious mesh possible when it comes to the internal pockets. Our favorite feature on this Dopp kit by far is the magnetic toothbrush compartment. We were skeptical at first, but it really does come in handy for keeping your toothbrush away from your other toiletries. That way you don't have to worry about lotion, soap, or little hairs left over on a razor from getting onto your toothbrush. You can also leave it open to dry your damp toothbrush overnight before packing everything up and heading out to your next destination. Just be aware that it's not completely water resistant. A bit of sink water won't ruin it, but compared to some of the other toiletry bags on this list that use water resistant fabric, it'll retain the moisture longer. If you want something that is fully waterproof and TSA compliant, we recommend the Nite 311 pouch. When most companies market their products as waterproof, it usually just means they can withstand a little bit of water without being ruined. But this pouch is actually submergible. Nite developed their True Zip toothless zipper alongside these pouches, which makes them fully submergible and waterproof. This completely prevents liquids from getting inside, even when underwater. And it actually works. We have submerged this several times, and each time no water has gotten inside. This works both ways. So if your shampoo or conditioner spill inside of the pouch, they won't leak out to the rest of your bag either. We should note that these zippers are a bit sticky to close, and there's some fuzziness that appears on the sides due to the welded construction, but other than that, we really love the innovative thinking here. Nite does make another dedicated toiletry bag, which is also waterproof. But the 311 gets our pick for a minimalist travel due to the TSA compliance. Its translucent front lets you see everything inside, plus it's 1 quart, making it a great option for air travel. The Bihn Organizer Cube is another TSA-friendly option. It meets the 1 quart requirement, and you can see right through it. While it's not completely waterproof like the Nite 311 pouch, it does have YKK AquaGuard zippers for added moisture protection, and a band of Halcyon or ballistic nylon around the top, sides, and bottom. With a 1 liter capacity, this thing is ideal for shorter trips of a weekend or a week long, or if you're a super minimalist traveler. In classic Bihn fashion, it has 2 O-rings where you can clip on a shoulder strap or key strap and attach it to other Bihn bags. Now you may be thinking that this kit is a little bit small to be using as a dedicated toiletry kit for travel. It's all about what you put inside and how you optimize it. From multi-use shampoo bars to 100 milliliter travel bottles, to just finding the smallest toiletry kit items available, it all adds up to cut down on weight and space. We are talking about this stuff all the time in Pack Hacker Pro. Our clever members are always finding new ways to pack less and get more out of the items they carry. Plus, reduce the usage of single-use toiletry bottles and packaging that we see at a lot of hotels for a more sustainable approach. If these discussions sound like something you'd like to be a part of, we'd love to have you in Pack Hacker Pro to join our growing community of gear enthusiasts and minimalist travelers. You'll also unlock our Deals Vault with exclusive promo codes for many different gear brands, some of which are mentioned in this video. We're an independent company creating unbiased reviews on interesting gear. By signing up, you'll help to keep it that way. And we're always improving the experience. So check out the link down in the description below to learn more about the benefits of Pack Hacker Pro. Instead of being a free-form pouch, the Gravel Explorer Plus opens up fully clamshell to reveal pockets for just about everything. And most of the pockets are mesh, so you can see where everything is. There's a slim, water-resistant pocket for your toothbrush, wider pockets for long items like razors and combs, 2 smaller pockets, and a tiny, almost secret pocket for any medicine or pills. There's another compartment on the side of the pouch for larger items too. And it comes with a removable, TSA-friendly clear pouch. The tarpaulin material does a great job at keeping everything dry. And if you don't want to keep it on the counter, just use the cord on the back to hang it up on a shower head or towel rack. If this is all too much for you, Gravel also makes a smaller, slim version of this pouch. But we like the clear pouch the Plus comes with when going through airport security. Overall, the Explorer Plus is a good pick for the hyper-organized traveler with a lot of toiletries to pack. But we did have some issues with one of the unbranded zipper tracks pulling apart during our testing. Check out our full review for more information on that. Moving right along, we have the WANDRD Toiletry Bag, which offers a nice combination of organization and open space. It has a dedicated toothbrush sleeve with an elastic loop to keep it in place, 2 soft mesh pockets, a wide main pocket, and a zippered front pocket. It also passed our sink splash and toothpaste wipeability tests. What makes this thing so great is there are 2 attachment points on the sides that allow you to attach the optional carry strap and turn this thing into a sling. We're not sure what kind of person carries around a razor and a toothbrush when they're out for the day, but maybe you could keep some hair pomade in there to fix yourself up in case you meet a cutie on the road. More than likely, you'd end up dumping your toiletries at your hotel room and just using this as a crossbody bag to carry the essentials like your phone, wallet, and anything else you don't want to put into your pockets. No judgment here either way, but it's nice to have the option. It's available in 2 sizes, medium and large. The large just has 2 more pockets on the outside and a clip to hang it up. Versatility for the win. The NOMATIC Toiletry Bag 2.0 has a simple layout with 3 internal pockets. 2 of them have an interesting plastic and mesh combo interior, which looks kind of cool and allows you to see everything that's inside. It's got a kind of rubbery feel to it as well. And a handle to pull it out of your bag easily, which is helpful because the external fabric is kind of grippy. This one is minimalist with a sleek design and slim size. It doesn't have a ton of volume and is better suited for more flat items than lots of tubes of lotions or gels. But we like the clean aesthetic. And the tarpaulin material and weatherproof zoom zippers do very well at keeping out moisture, and the bag dries quickly if it gets wet, which is great. This thing is available in 2 sizes, small and large. Listen, we know that IKEA is better known for their cheap furniture and Swedish meatballs than travel gear, but the IKEA VARLDENS Toiletry Bag is actually a pretty solid pick for the budget traveler. It's pretty spacious and opens up to a clamshell-styled zipper in the front. There are a few mesh panels on the side. Then there's a wide open pocket on the back that opens up horseshoe style and is big enough to fit in a full-sized toothpaste and lotion. This bag is made out of 90% recycled polyester, and we're always up for environmentally conscious products. The material wipes clean fairly easily if you spill lotion on it, but it doesn't rank too highly when it comes to water resistance. During our sink splash test, the material did get pretty soaked, and there was some water on the bottom of the inside as well. It does dry completely after a few hours, but just be mindful if you're setting it on a wet bathroom counter or somewhere else where there's a lot of water. Still, if you're planning to backpack across the country and you want to use that extra money on more street tacos instead of spending it on an expensive toiletry bag, the IKEA VARLDENS is a great option for that reason. The Peak Design wash pouch has a ton of thoughtful organization. So if you're one of those 10-step skincare people we mentioned earlier, there is plenty of space to fit everything inside. It has a side pocket that's meant to hold a razor, but we also like it for easy access to our toothbrush. Inside, there's a magnetic toothbrush holder in the center. It's also convenient for smaller items that we didn't want floating around. The lining here even flips inside out for easy cleaning in case you get toothpaste on it. On either side of that, you've got 2 silicone mesh pockets and a little zippered pocket with even more mesh panels inside. In the main compartment of the pouch, there is ample room for larger items. We were able to fit up to 4 3.4 ounce or 100 milliliter Human Gear Go tubes, which are of course TSA friendly. The opposite side has more open space and 3 more mesh panels where we like to stick our deodorant. While you probably don't want to take a shower with this wash pouch, a few drops of water will roll right off. Just be careful when using the hideable aluminum hook for hanging things up. We have lost a couple of things out of here due to the tilt at which it hangs. Clocking in at about a 3-liter capacity, the Heimplanet Dopp Kit V2 is on the large side, but it's anything but bulky, and it has a real slick, streamlined design. You can set it down in the sink or hang it up with its 3-compartment fold-out system. The middle compartment has a lot of small organization, with rows of elastic loops and sleeves to hold long, flat toiletries in securely. And check out that detachable Velcro mirror to make sure you're looking fresh. There are 2 more spacious compartments for bigger items on either side, with mesh pockets for added organization. And if this is too much for you, Heimplanet makes another version of this pouch which is half the size, called the Better Half. The TPU coated material on both sides has some great water resistance and it's easy to wipe clean. Still, that doesn't take away from the overall functionality of this Dopp kit that can also be used as a tech kit for added versatility. All the Dopp kits and toiletry bags on this list are awesome, but sometimes you gotta keep it simple. So yes, we are recommending the humble, but not durable, Ziploc bag as number 11 in this video. If you're flying one bag style, you're gonna need a quart-sized Ziploc bag to put your liquids in anyways. And you can just stick one of these inside of your Dopp kit to have it handy. Or just forego all of the wonderful organization that Dopp kits and toiletry bags offer and just go exclusively with a Ziploc bag. So there you have it. 10 toiletry bags or Dopp kits for minimalist travel. We would love to hear what your favorite toiletry bag is down in the comments below, so be sure to let us know, even if it's not on this list. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see a follow-up video on the toiletries that we on the Pack Hacker team like to pack with us. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to better gear. We'll see you in the next video.